Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with Fiverr affiliate program. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in Fiverr, there are multiple ways to approach the affiliate marketing section. Now, as you can see here right now, the most popular gigs in affiliate marketing, there's a lot of people doing affiliate marketing in Fiverr. As you can see here, they're offering some services or like ways to do affiliate marketing for you. As you can see, for example, we have this option over here. I'm simply going to click this and let's check out what this person is offering. Eric Clapham. Let's see what the person is offering as an affiliate marketing. As you can see, he will set up guaranteed clickbank sales funnel for clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, this person is offering us or offering the people who are looking at his page right now, on his offer right now, to have some affiliate lead generation page or sign up page and like a thank you page for you. He's going to create like a plan and setup that he will provide to you. And as you can see, it's going to give you an affiliate clickback that would allow you to increase your sales. And his package is $15 per package over here. Now you could do this way as well. You could do an affiliate marketing topic in Fiverr, because in Fiverr, basically this is similar to Upwork if you're familiar with Upwork, where you can upload jobs and like you can apply to different jobs as well. And the people or the clients are going to be looking for you instead of you looking for them. Although you could do the other way, like you look for them, but as you can see here, like what they're doing, they're promoting themselves and promoting their service. And one of the topics that are popular right now is affiliate marketing, and they will provide you some services. For example, there's also an Instagram services where the person will increase your followers and stuff like that. That's one of the ways of their services over here. There's different types of affiliate marketing services in Fiverr. As you can see here, in affiliate marketing, you could have marketing funnels, you have link promotions, affiliate recruitment, and programming strategy and setup over here. These are the different options or the different categories of affiliate marketing inside of Fiverr right now. Now, there are also programs in Fiverr itself, wherein you could start earning money by having some affiliate links traffic, and we're going to show you that later on the video. But for now, let's go explore this. As you can see, one example, one again, is clickbait or clickbank Amazon over here. You have Amazon affiliate website, clickbank. I think most of this are clickbank. As you can see, clickbank, Amazon affiliate website. Most of this are clickbank, as you can see here. And you could get some ideas on what these people are trying to do, and like you could copy or do something similar to this and like post your services over here as well. That's one of the ways you could start earning through the affiliate marketing category in Fiverr. Now, there's also an affiliate program in Fiverr itself, in affiliate.fiverr.com over here, or the Fiverr affiliates over here. As you can see, you will be able to boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr, promote the leading marketplace for freelance services, and get paid to drive traffic. It's that easy. You can start earning by simply clicking this option over here right now. You could easily join them. As you can see here, you could choose your commission plan. The first step is to join as an affiliate. It's free to get started. You can access marketing materials, tools, and more. And you could promote it. As you can see, you could promote Fiverr, share Fiverr with your target audience, and there's a match for every need. And you can simply start earning right away. As you can see, you could earn right from the moment your traffic converts, and you could check out their commission plans. Simply check it out. We're going to check it out in a bit. We're going to scroll down for now. Now, how can you promote Fiverr? Fiverr is the most leading marketplace for freelancing service. You can include this information over here for the Fiverr itself. You have the information for the Fiverr business over here, the Fiverr logo marker, or the Fiverr affiliates over here. You could find information for each version of Fiverr over here to add to your promotion. And like if ever someone is looking for help for business, you could offer them, or you could promote the Fiverr business. As you can see here, you can promote the Fiverr business version of Fiverr to the person who is looking for. And when you drive traffic through that method, or simply by driving traffic, you could start earning money. And there are benefits for being a Fiverr affiliate. As you can see here, you could maximize your earning, get paid for every first-time buyer with no referral limit at lifetime attribution. There's professional support. You can gain access to professional support, tutorials, and dedicated affiliate manager. You could have intuitive dashboard, an easy to use dashboard to launch, manage, and monitor campaigns. And lastly, a creative resource, a portfolio of high-performing creative assets to help you promote. And there's also special promotions over here. Now, you don't want to miss this opportunity to become an affiliate member of the affiliate program of Fiverr, because Fiverr is well known. As you can see here, over 5.5 billion people are using Fiverr. They are popular, they are everywhere, they are foldable, they're on any device, and they got it all, as you can see here. Now, the different plans in the commission plan, as you can see here, as you can see, you have the Fiverr CPA and the Fiverr hybrid over here. For the CPA, you can earn 15 to 150 CPA over here, depending on what services your first-time buyer purchases. You also have your $10 CPA plus 10% revenue share over here, a fixed CPA for the first-time purchase, and revenue share for 12 months over here. There's also more products that you can promote, like Business Fiverr or Fiverr Business. You can earn $100 plus 10%. You have Fiverr Affiliates, which is 10% over here of every referred affiliate earning for a lifetime, and Fiverr Learn over here, 30% for every course order over here, depending on the specific rules and like conditions over here before you can earn. And like there's also more options over here below, different for each category. Like for example, you have the 150 category over here, 50 category, $40 category, 30, 25, and 15 over here, and you simply find your plan over here. And how do you join? You're simply going to click on Start Earning Now or click on Join Now over here on the top, and you're going to be redirected to this sign up page over here. In this sign up page, you're first going to enter your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and then your account type over here. You could have private or company. Then your main source of traffic, if ever you have, you could say yes or no. Then your country over here, you could enter any country that you are living in right now. It doesn't have a limitation for what country you could be. Then after signing up, this is what you're going to see. This is now the dashboard for an affiliate, where you can check out the impressions, the CTR, unique clicks, registrations, conversion rate, FTB, and commissions over here. You could also have a lot of tools like marketing tools, the different options over here, private, default, deep links, geo rotation groups, gig ads widget, and search box widget over here. You can check out media reports, registration reports, and payment history over here. You can also see your balance over here on the top, and like your ID and information over here. And this is where you can see the data, your performance, your top performing creatives, and you could contact them for support over here. You could check out your commission plans over here, earnings report, sub affiliate. This is your sub affiliate link over here. You have your account details and user guide over here. You also have an affiliate store in this section. Right now I can't access it, but this is the dashboard for when you're a commissioner or when you're an affiliate in Fiverr. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.